everybody. We are here by the Lake of the Ozarks, kind of outside the town of Lake Ozark, and we have a newer gas station over here. I guess it's the EM station. And this one actually has that interesting setup where there's sort of like a standalone self-serve car wash in the parking lot. Not something I'd really expect to see with new construction, but very cool. So we have a bunch of self-serve bays, or I guess 3 of them here, and then some kind of an automatic on the end. Let's see what we've got. Oh, wow. This is a cooler find than I was expecting. An old PDQ LaserWash M5, I believe. Given the age of this place, I'm going to guess that either it is a lot older than it looks or they bought this thing used. But it's not at all what I was expecting. This thing may not have a card reader on it. Yep. Fun. Alright, I decided since I didn't really have the right change, I needed gas anyway. It'd probably be a lot easier to just come over and gas up and get a code at one of these pumps. And these are like the fancy touchscreen pumps. So this place definitely gives me the vibe of being like brand new. So they must have picked this machine up used somewhere. Very cool though, not at all. I was expecting something new and, to be honest, a little more boring here. This is very cool. This whole place looks really nicely maintained too, so I'm gonna be quite curious to see what this wash is like. It's pretty interesting that they don't even have a credit card reader on it. All right, let's see if this thing is actually alive. We'll hit our wash code option.
Please enter your wash code. 554471. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
It's alive. This is really cool. All right, well, the underblasters definitely work. Very nice coating of pre-soak to start here. It's a nice thick coating of Rain-X, wow. The light flashing there is polishing. Not sure why it's just hanging out though. I guess that was code for triple foam, but it only really worked on one side. Interesting, it's telling me to go. I was expecting the gantry to pull back a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Better look at the sign there. Feel like I'm going through a tunnel wash with these dryers here. Great dryers. About the perfect amount of dryer time, too. Huh. Well, this goes to show why you always have to go and check a place out, because not at all what I expected here. So, yeah, brand new gas station with a full, like, old school self-serve style car wash. And on top of that, a LaserWash M5. Anyway, they got quite a deal on that machine, presumably. I'm guessing they bought the thing used. It was a great buy. They got it up and running really nicely. I mean, minus the triple foam cycle, which, let's be real, is not really all that consequential in terms of getting the car clean. It did a really nice job. The dryers are great, too. I mean, honestly, for $10 plus the gas discount, that was a steal for the quality of the wash. So, definitely recommend this place. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always. And that is it.